Aligning internship programs with emerging sectors like the green hydrogen is very essential to ensure that we build a skilled, future-ready workforce that can actually drive South Africa's sustainable energy transition. So if we embed internships within the growing industry like green hydrogen, we ensure that young professionals, especially recent graduates, they gain the relevant skills, hands-on experience, and early exposure to real-world challenges. So aligning that with different institutions that could be from the science sector, from the private sector, from government institutions as well, we ensure that we create an inclusive green hydrogen economy as well for us. There's been a lot of outcomes that are very promising. Out of the 10 interns that we had, some of them got permanent employment from the host institutions that they had. Some of them have decided to go and further their studies on the work that they were doing, and others are basically, they have secured full-time employment as well. So that means they are already, the internship provided them with the opportunity to prepare them for the next phase of their careers. So this shows that there's really been a very big, real impact in building long-term career pathways. I think just further to that, beyond the workplace experience, our interns have also engaged with the wide variety of people in the industry. They have gotten exposure and capacity building activities as well. We've done study tours with the interns where they got to see what a plant for green hydrogen looks like, actually be in a plant and actually communicate and interact with people that are already working in the green hydrogen space. We have done, the last international South Africa Green Hydrogen Summit, our interns also were participating there, so that meant they could also network with the people that were at the summit. And then they also attended technical workshops. They also did validating of research studies, and they basically gained a lot of insight, practical insight from the industry. So the early successes that I'm speaking about, they show that if we target internships, we not only equip young women with critical skills, but actively support their transition from being an intern, from being a graduate to being an intern, and then a young professional as well.